this is Donald Trump 254. Today we are playing, you guessed it, Subway Surfers Transylvania. And you guys may be thinking, I know you have the tag bot. Come on, man. You gotta be better than that. You should have that special dude by now. But you know, got this fat dude here, so you can't really, do anything. Yeah, I have actually been working on getting rid of my accent, but it's pretty hard, man. But I'm starting to get good. You guys think I'm starting to get better at getting rid of my accent? Tell me in the comments below. That'd be nice, okay? Yes, my nices are still gonna sound like, nice, man. But it's okay, it's just a start. But yes, I still have an accent, so just try not to hate, If you do hate, just watch my video. I don't need all the negative comments. Come on, man. I'm only about 20, probably. Still. I think I'm getting a cold. Oh crap. No, Glenn, stop. Glenn. God, Glenn. If you don't know Glenn is kind of my man, I guess. No, not like my boy. He's my boy, okay? He's like my friend. Yeah, he's my friend, man. But you see, I guess you could say that Tagbot is a little bit gay, but, it's not that bad, though, I guess. I mean, he does run pretty fast. He gets rid of the guy. But I guess he doesn't really deliver the job that I would like. And he's not as good. But, 50-50, I would like to give him probably say 30 out of 100. How about that? Now I give him a 30 out of 50. That's pretty cool. That's pretty good. It's almost half of 50, so dope. Oh, and please check the comments. I'm gonna leave some descriptions to It's Trevin and to Luke Kill Jr. I thought it was pretty cool though. I like them videos. Plus, I'm kind of friends with It's Trevin and Luke Kill Jr. Like best friends with Luke Kill, but It's Trevin. I'm trying to, take it slow with him, man. I'm starting to get pretty good here. I'm getting pretty fast. Tagbot's going. He got all this coins in his pocket. He's going pretty close. Shouldn't it be the more coins you get, the slower you go? Shouldn't you have all the coins in your pockets, and then you're like, But then wouldn't Tagbot's coins get stuck in his, his head or something? But whatever, who cares? They all got this classical Subway Surfers hat, I guess. That's pretty good. I mean, they don't have the right stuff, they say that. Hey! We don't have that too, I guess. So that's pretty cool. I like Subway Surfers. Playing this off my smartphone, actually. So that's pretty hard. So I said smartphone. I'm playing this off a computer. I've hacked the computer, actually. It's been acting up, but I can actually play Subway Surfers on the computer. Which is actually pretty difficult, but, 50-50 is pretty cool, then. Oh, crap, I'm gonna die soon. Uh-oh. Sorry, don't say I sound a little bit like Peter Griffin. Because I know I sound like Peter Griffin. Sorry. 229 coins. That's pretty good, I guess. It's pretty good. Pretty good. So I guess it's gonna be the last time for a sign off, guys, because I gotta go to the bathroom. Guys, now I need to know that. Just reboot. Whatever you guys do, I don't know anymore. I mean, I'm not very good with electronics. I mean, look at that. I just died. Got 30. Okay. So, sign off, guys. See you later.